I kind of botched this in my review video earlier, so I'm just going to quickly go through the derivation for an LR circuit. So an LR circuit has an inductor, a resistor, some voltage source, and then a switch. So we have L, R, some V, and let's define a direction of positive current to be this way. And we're interested in what happens to current over time, because, well, current is really the most interesting thing. You could also, I suppose, be asked for voltage of some sort, but that will follow from finding out what happens to current. So to get there, I'm just going to write a sort of a Kirchhoff's loop equation going around this way. We find V, and then going through the inductor for a positive di dt, increasing positive current, we will have what do you call it, EMF this way. So that means we will subtract L di dt, since that is opposite the direction of our positive current. And then, of course, for the resistor is just negative IR. That must be equal to 0. So now we have our differential equation. We'll just rearrange a bit. Is equal to IR minus V. And bring it back over. IR minus V. So I suppose we'll drop that. Swap these around. Minus IR. So then we just integrate. Di is equal to integral dt as such. And then we will get Ln is now up front, V minus IR, so I suppose there's also a negative up front, negative 1 over R, there we are, and then that is from 0 to I, this being just D, yes, okay. So then we just do the substitution, L over R, Ln V minus IR minus Ln V is equal to T, then thus we find Ln V minus IR over V is equal to negative R over LT. We raise both sides to the power, or e to the power of both sides. IR over V is equal to e to the negative R over LT. And then from there we do a little bit more rearranging over LT, and then we find I is equal to V, here, we have V over R, 1 minus e to the negative R over L times T. And there you are. I suppose this was a big I, ever since I subbed in the fundamental theorem of calculus. There we are. So now you have current. Yeah, and the only other thing they could really ask you for is voltage across the resistor, and then you just do V equals IR. Easy peasy. Alright, so there you go. That is the derivation of an LR circuit.